Hello again, guys. This is the class number 3. This is the last class of the musicality course, okay? And today we're going to work on some footwork for the mambo part, okay? So you will have everything to put it into the song and enjoy and interpret it and get this plus in your dancing.
Yeah, remember that in this part we use in our style the traditional way, okay? So we play a little bit more with the footwork. We mix some different body movement into the traditional way, okay?
Yes.
But we're gonna work so hard for this. Come on,
Yes,
let's do this.
go.
We're gonna start showing you first of all the first 8 separate, and after we go with the lead, okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 1 basic, and 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start with the diagonal basic or basic Madrid, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so for us it's very important to respect the rules. You know that in this kind of diagonal basic we don't go like a sensual way that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we keep our cadence like a traditional way, like merengue step. Okay, so from here remember that we go with the contrary cadence. So from the top I go this with my 1. This is my 1. This is my 2. This is my 3, and this is my 4. On 5 I keep the same, so my right goes but my hip goes to the left. So this is my 5, this is my 6, this is my 7, and this is my 8. Okay, this is the simple way to understand how is the cadence work. Okay, but at the same time in the traditional way we respect the cha-cha moments. Okay, we're gonna keep the traditional cha-cha moment because in sensual bachata we use a lot this, like 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 5, 6, cha-cha-cha, 2 steps and after the cha-cha. But in the traditional way they use more 3 steps and after the cha-cha. So we're gonna respect this in this basic. So we're gonna do this. Look, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 5, 6, 7, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the last syncopation. And we go from the diagonal basic like this. This is my 1, my 2, my 3, my 4, my 5, my 6, my 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes? So let's practice this with the girl because this is super easy. The only difficult step maybe for you is to keep the traditional cadence, but let's practice and practice and practice, okay? For us, it's super important, the frame that you worked before in all this course. So it's really easy now for you to understand how this is working, okay? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and cha-cha-cha, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? It's very important for you guys in the moment to make the decoration with the upper body that you play with your frame, okay? But now at the beginning, only try to mix this with your footwork, okay? Only the normal frame. So let's try to do this instead of play with the arms because this is a typical mistake in this kind of leads, okay? So you see that I'm going with my body. So my frame is activate this position. I'm not doing this, breaking the frame from my elbows.
And this is the same for ladies, okay? Or for followers. If we don't have a frame, it's really hard to understand the steps, the footwork, right? He cannot move us. We are staying on spot. So that's why he's leading from the frame and we are just continuing with the bass. Yes?
Yes, very good. Okay, you can use the cha-cha or you cannot use it, okay? Don't think that this step is like a choreographic step, okay?
No.
You can use this like that, like 1, 2, 3, tap, or you can use like 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 5. Or you can use 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 5, 6, 7, cha-cha, 1. Whatever you can put it, it's okay, okay? It's only resources for you to understand how the traditional way works a little bit because remember that we use this in the mambo part that is working now. Yeah?
Yes.
So from there, we're gonna do this. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, to go down to help the girl to come to us. Yes? So you can use this in the second cha-cha step. because we are using now the movement and it's easier for her. So the sensual way to do it, because we are mixing the traditional basic with the sensual lead, so for her it's easier to understand the lead in this point. So when I go on 5, this is my 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. So you see that we are using our lead on the second count, that is the 6. Okay, don't be late on 7 like the traditional way, because we for her it's uncomfortable to arrive with the movement. Okay, if you are leading it normally, she can follow you perfectly, like 5, 6, 7, cha-cha, 1. Yes, you see it's better. But if you are mixing with the sensual style, for her it's easier if you lead in the sensual way. Yes, so let's try this one more time and we move forward. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Yes, easy. We move forward a little bit, and after this 8, we play music for you to understand.
Yes.
Okay. So the next step, really easy. When we arrive, we're gonna make lateral basic. Okay, and we try to keep the same cadence. We're gonna go to our left, guys, and followers to your right. Okay, and we're gonna keep the traditional cadence on our hip 2. So it's like 1, 2, step on the place here, and the next one we're gonna do the same lateral, but we're gonna change our height
Up
here.
and down.
We're gonna go like 5, 6. When we cross, we go up and we go down on 8. Okay, so we release all our weight in our right and
our
followers
left.
on your left. Okay, to be able and go on 1 after. Yes, so one more time, very slow. 5, 6, 7. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Yes, so the lead here is easy too if you keep your frame. If not, it's super difficult for the girl to understand this. Yes, so from here, remember that our arms are keeping the frame all the time, and I play with my rib cage. Okay, don't think that I go with my hands again. The girl is feeling this from here, so I don't need to press the hand. The hand come with my upper body. Yes, so these 2 change happen on the place. So I don't need to go like 1, 2. I need to go like 1
And rebound.
2. And the rebound to come to your right, girls to your left.
Yes.
Okay, so this is like 1, 2, step
3,
and tap.
4.
And you see that we respect all the time the cadence. We are not doing only like 1, 2, step and tap. Yes, it's all the time the same. 1, 2, step and tap. When I step the third, I go to the right, and on the tap, I press the floor too.
Yes.
Yeah. And on 5, 6, 7, 8, we have to change this basic for the girl to understand the up and down moment. Yes. So when I go to the 5, I go like 5. On 6, I come 6. When I cross, look, I take the weight up and I release the weight. So the girl is feeling like I'm holding it on 7. And I go down on 8.
Yes, remember, ladies, to keep the frame all the time, okay? If he's pulling up, I'm giving him a resistance down.
Contrary
Yes.
resistance all the time. Yeah. So from here, we go like this. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, up and down, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. So mixing this from the top. Achoo.
Sorry.
Bless you. So mixing this from the top is like that. 5, 6, here we
7
go. And 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes? So let's practice this first part before we finish with the next 8 with music. Come on. This was with music, and now we continue with the last 8 to make all the mambo combo, okay,
Yes.
for you. So the same position here for you to understand, and we're gonna make this. Remember that we are crossing, we are going down on 8, we have free our right, and from here we're gonna make a chachacha step, okay? Chachacha is really easy. It's triple step, step and tap. So it's like chachacha, step and tap. Okay, remember that in the third moment we have our weight on the right, so it's like step, step, back on the right, girls to your left, and the 3, 4 is only this 3 and 4. Good. And from here, we're gonna make a full count with our right, girls with your left on the place. You can do it on the place. You can do it turning around, whatever you want. You can mix it, okay? But at the moment, I want that you understand this. That is forward and forward, back, step, tap. Okay. So to finish, this is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 5, 6. Here we go on 5 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1. Okay, so we are doing the full count to transfer the last moment, the 8 on the right, girls to your left, and you'll be able to go after to your basic. Okay,
for ladies, we can do a little bit more, exaggerate the hip. Okay, not only here, but more out, 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 out every time we sweep the weight. Okay, but this is, remember guys, this part is all about
enjoy and feel the music, especially the mambo is because the music have the higher energy, so you need to feel it and interpret that you feel in this moment. Okay, so from this position is really easy because remember that we come from here up and down. Okay, we have crossed these ones and we're gonna release the left. You can release it or you not, because from here the girl can understand you perfectly. Okay, but I always try to do it open because the visual effect for me is much better to open the girl to the side. Okay, especially if we're gonna keep this line, it's easier for her to understand that we're gonna keep this position and after we close again. Okay, so let's try to recover your position when you are finishing the step and tap, so the girl can come again to your close position. Okay, so from here, remember we are crossing here and we go like this, like cha-cha-cha, step here, and from here we're gonna make the full count, that is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and depends if you feel that you are so high in this moment, you can do hey stronger or softer, that is cool too.
It also
or turning around, maybe here hey like we did before with the sample of the music.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's only feel and enjoy.
So we're going to repeat the same from this side. Okay, so you can know we are here ready. We make the cha-cha-cha
and we go cha-cha-cha, step, tap, and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Yes, so let's practice this with music to finish all from the top, and here we go. Okay, mambo party again. Perfect, guys.
Very good.
This was the last class. Thank you to join us in this course. We are so happy to be here with you to share all this knowledge with you, because for us it's super important to interpret the music. So let's try to keep this in your mind and enjoy more now your social dance.
Yes, remember guys, we have available the intermediate and advanced course too, okay? If you want to remaster all your resources, okay? And thank you so much for watching.
Yes. See you guys.
soon.
We love you.